In this video, I'll show you how to create and publish a learning path in Rise. So to create a new learning path, just click the Manage tab up here at the top of your dashboard, and then click the Learning Paths tab. Now on the Learning Paths section, click the New Learning Path button. You'll see that right down here. Give your learning path a name, and click the Next button. Next, select the courses you want to add to your learning path, and if you want to search for a specific course, you can use the search bar up here at the top. There we go. It's going to continue selecting these courses. And if for any reason you selected a course that you don't want to include in your learning path, just come over here to the right column and click the trash icon to remove them. Okay, cool. I want to use these 4 courses in my learning path, so I'm going to click the Done button down here at the bottom. That's it. Your learning path is now created, and you can add 1 or more categories to your learning path by coming up here just below the title and adding a category. Perfect. I'm going to close out of the categories. If you needed to rename your learning path for any reason, you can click the little pencil icon right here and rename the learning path or delete the learning path. I don't want to do either, so I'm going to click away to close that. Click the Groups tab right here to enroll a group of learners, or click the Learners tab to enroll specific learners to your learning path. I'm going to choose Enroll Learners, and I'm just going to select the learners here. And again, just like before, if we needed to search for a learner, we could use the search bar. And there's Ned. I'm going to add Ned, and I'm going to close out of the search. And if you wanted to remove any learners, again, you can just hover over their name in the right column and click the trash icon to remove them from the learning path. When you're finished, click the Enroll Learners button, and your learners are now added to the learning path. I'm going to jump back to the Details tab, and here you can choose to add a cover photo for your learning path. If I click this, you can see that I can upload an image from my hard drive, or I can browse cover photos on Content Library. I'm going to choose that option. Type in a search term, and scroll to find an image. Click Select, and that's going to upload and add that image as your cover photo. You can also add a short description to describe your course. Just type in a description that will help learners understand what the course is about. And you can choose also to show authors or hide authors. If you don't want to show the authors, you can deselect that option. I do want to show authors. And then down here, you have the option to manage how learners take the courses in your learning path. If you select this option, learners will have to take the courses in order, and you can reorder the courses by clicking and dragging to create the order that you want. You also have the option of setting a due date over here on the right side. So if I hover over each title, I have the gear icon, and here I can set the completion requirements as well as the date the course needs to be completed by. I'm going to cancel out of there. If I wanted to add a date, say for the second course, I can choose a due date of an extra month, right? And then that'll now set the date for that second course. And again, I can set the completion requirements here. Click Save and continue adding due dates for the remaining courses if you want one. Otherwise, you can leave those blank. And finally, if you wanted to add additional courses, you see that option right down here at the very bottom of the page. And when you're all ready, just go up here to the top of your page and click Publish to publish your new learning path. You'll be asked to confirm whether you want the course visible in the library. Yes, I do. And I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. And again, you're prompted right now to enroll additional learners or groups. I'm going to skip for now because we've already added some learners, and your learning path is now available. And that's how easy it is to create and publish learning paths in Rise.